So hello sir, I hope you have a great day. So today I want to present to you a subject that recently I have studied a lot. That subject name is Bluetooth remote control car using Arduino. This subject belongs to the authors as you can see, and they come from India. On the screen is all the information I want to bring you today. The first one is introduction. The second one is the method. Next is the result. And the final one is the conclusion. Let's skip to the first one. The first part, introduction. As you can see in the reality nowadays, robotics has become a major part in our daily life and also in the engineering field. It plays a vital role in the development of new technology. This is a very simple and easy type form of remote control car based on Arduino, motor drivers, and Bluetooth model. So the mainly electric component here is Arduino Uno, the Bluetooth model, and the motor driver, and a power supply. These are the real-life images of those components. The first one is Bluetooth model. It's a wireless technology standard for exchanging data from short distances. Its range approximately 10 meters. The next one is Arduino Uno, a microcontroller board. Has 14 digital input-output pins, 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz quartz crystal, a USB connection, a power jack, an RCSP header, and a reset button. Next to it is the motor driver, an integrated circuit chip that controls motor in autonomous robots and embedded circuits. It can control two motors at the same time, and the final one is the motor. So the question here is, why do I use Arduino? Because Arduino is an open source. It means that you can search this similar project on the internet in the Arduino community, and you can see that how they face their problem and how they solve their problems, and you can learn from that. The second thing is Arduino language is understandable and easy to use for professionals or even for beginners. And the most important reason is Arduino has low expense. So the designing goals is driving the car to the required position precisely. The eventual product uses eco-friendly energy, and it can reach its max velocity when operating. The second part is the method. Uh, this is operating process. First, supply of 5 voltage DC is needed to power the Arduino board, and supply of 6 to 12 voltage DC supplies is needed to power the driver circuits. After that, commands are sent to a Bluetooth model connected with the Arduino by an application called Car Bluetooth RCI from an Android mobile phone. The next step, the Arduino receives these commands and transfers them to the motor drivers from the digital I/O pins. Eventually, the motor driver has two DC motors connected to its output terminals, and it runs them according to the commands. So this is the simulated circuit. As you can see here is the motors. There are 4 motors. The motor driver, the Arduino Uno, power supply, and this is a Bluetooth model. So this is the eventual product that I found when I was surfing the internet. This is the operating process. As you can see, it operates without human interact 100% automatically. So, in conclusion, the Arduino Uno is the brain for the whole project. It's an open source. It's an open source. Due to its function, users can give directives, and the product can operate according to these directives. The Bluetooth models is to transfer commands from the mobile phone to the Arduino. Remote control car is an interesting project in which I have experience, ran into some programmable problems, and found solutions. As a result, I have also obtained lectures that cannot be found anywhere else. Let's talk a little bit further about its practical application. This car uses environmental friendly fuel, and it produces force to carry objects on it. And the most important thing is the programmable language is easy to understand for all class. So I think therefore this project can be made in a higher scale for real-time vehicles. So this is all the information I want to bring to you today. So standing here present to you is such an honor for me. So thanks a lot.